Okay, so hi everyone. So today I came live. Uh, so my topic is many automation test engineer and manual testers. Sorry, manual tester are struggling for your switching the profile from manual to automation, right? So why the people are struggling if you want to switch manual with automation, because if you having the only manual profile, then what will happen, you will not get less call. So you have to upgrade the skill set, and you could see many like what we can tell, many tools are coming in the market, and the people are completely confused with which tools you have to learn and all, right? So that is very important, like what the tools you have to learn. So for manual testing, you must having a one programming a skill you have to learn. Either you can go for the Java, or either you can go for the any programming language. So you must having the one programming language, because many be having the right now, you could see the many automation tools came, that is the codeless automation. Many companies are also using this, but if you will go for the interview, they will check you your programming skill set. Okay, so common things you have to learn for the interview purpose. And the base of automation testing is your any programming language. You can go with the Java, or you can go with the Python, or any language you have to choose, right? So that is the the things you have to learn and all. Okay, so the challenges is what you can do, like we are learning the things and you are showing the experience. So what the challenges will come if you will join in the company, or what the challenges you will face, you know when if you will join in the company, the challenge will face, uh, if you will not prepare well, and definitely you will face the challenge. So what will happen, so many of the people are already done the courses, but they did not practice for real time project, like you did not work on your framework practice and all, you did not automate properly. So what will happen, this problem will come to you. Okay, so before going for as a experience, so better you have to learn from basics to advanced level. So that is a very important things we have to do. And I could see many of them, like they are blindly joining the company, they are getting the offer letter, some of the startup company. So one question is, we should which company you have to join if you are sorry guys, if you are you know if you are changing the profile, so which company you have to join, right? So you have to join top level of the MNC company. I never suggest you can join uh, what I can tell, I never suggest you can join a small company or third level of the company, right? Try to join top level of the MNC. So many of them have already joined the startup company. So what will happen, they are struggling much, because you are only one resources to handle this all the things, right? So you should not join any startup company, that is the one things. Or many of them are asking, we should, which company is the best, product based company or service based company? So which one is best? Think my voice is coming. Okay, so all companies are best, you have to join. First priority is your MNC. Then many, again it depend upon the which type of the project you have, right? So if you hired for the Java Selenium, you're not getting the project for Java Selenium, you are getting the project for different technology. So what will happen, you have to struggle. So some of the companies are giving the different tools and technology. So in this scenario, many of them are providing the training, they are supporting in initial stage, like so they having the senior and lead and manager, so they are supportive, so you will survive over there. But they are, some of the companies are, just giving only project to you, and they will not give you the time, so better to leave this project. So again, it depend upon your project only. If you will go in the review, right, so you will get good review on the Google as well. But problem is, you will get that the first thing you have to check in the glass door the review of the company and all, right? So that is good, you can check your review. But if you will go inside this company, then only you will get to know about of your project, you will get to know about of your what we can tell, tech tools and technology and team and all, right? So that is the one thing you have to take care. Okay, so actually just I never came live, so just this is first time I came the live. I don't have any planning. So today we have a Friday. So just I thought I will come in the live, but I will definitely make the video on that, how to switch manual profile to automation profiles, of what the challenges you have to face. So first of all, you have to learn the basics part. Any programming language, you are good in the programming. Otherwise, you have to. You are not able to qualify the interview. That is the one thing. Then company expectation is, if you are a automation test engineer, you are able to do the code as well. So many new requirement is coming, right? Frameworks is already almost there, but you should know how to develop, or you should understand the end-to-end flow of framework, and also that is very important. So basics, advanced, then framework. And before going for the interview, or if you want to if you want to before going for the interview, you have to prepare well for your real time project, your framework and all. So that is very important, so people are not doing this thing. Second thing, many of the people are not getting the calls, proper calls, they are struggling with the calls as well. So what I can tell them, you are not mentioning the proper skill set, so that is the one thing you have to do. So you have to learn Java, you have to learn Selenium. With Java, Selenium, you having the very good knowledge of Cucumber, then you having the basics knowledge of SQL. The most important things, you at least you have to add your API testing as well. At least you can show the 6 month or 1 year of experience after learning that. So that the skill you have to highlight, then only you will get the proper calls. Otherwise you will not you will not get the proper calls. And second thing, like the people having the 3 months notice period, right? So if you will mention 3 month notice period, you will not get the call. So better to have to, you can mention 60 or 45 days, so you will get the calls. Then after that you can negotiate your notice period with your current company or your new company. Okay, so that is the way. So main thing, we have to focus on the learning stuff. If you don't have a proper knowledge and all, you have to struggle a lot. So find the proper resources to learn the things and do the practice and get the confidence, then you can start your interview. Don't go for the blindly for the interview, otherwise you will lose your opportunity and all. Okay, so uh, that's all in this video, guys. So just I came live, I was simply I having that today time. So I'm planning to come the live in a proper way and proper topic. But many of them, they are not able, they are a manual tester or having the lot of the gap, they are struggling to get the job. Even they are doing the practice, they have already done the courses, but still they are struggling lot, to switching the company. And many of them are not getting the calls because you don't mention the proper skill set in your resume. If you have a notice period 3 months, please mention your notice period to 60 to 45 days. Then after getting the offer letter, you can negotiate from the current company or previous company. So I think not a much people are in live here. So okay, so if you have any question regarding how to switch your manual to automation profile, and if you are having the long gap and you want to start your career in your automation profile, so please reach out to me and please comment below. If you have any question you can ask. Hope you are doing good. So yeah, one more thing I want to discuss here. So right now, companies having the lot of the competition because resources are resigning blindly, resources are putting down the paper. So what happened, the company is paying the more salary. Okay, so if you are planning to switch the company, so now these days, the tester, salaries are, if you will compare with the developer or any other profile, so it's not a, much, you know even I have I could see, I have a many people, I have seen the people who are working in the development profile, but tester having the more salary. Why? Because they're very good in the automation. When the automation will come in the picture, you have to do coding and all, right? So there is no difference between the testing and development profile. So here the comparison will come. You have to switch continuously your company, then you have to prepare for your, a skill set. Like you have to upgrade your skill set, and you can switch the company, and definitely you will get more hikes, 100% hike. So that is the one thing, do not, if you are going as experience and you are demanding the less salary, then that is the things you are losing yourself. Why I'm going to tell you you are losing yourself? Because if you will join as a 15 lakh, right, might be you having the around 5 to 6 year of experience, right? So might we will get 18 lakh also. Understood, right? Do not, what I want to tell you, please do not compromise with your salary. You can ask 100% hike, even you will get, if your salary is less, you will get more than 100% hike also. So now the market is completely changed, they are giving the very good hike outside. If you are not planning, if you are planning, if you having the less salary, if you will think you are planning to get the good hike, and also now we having the very good opportunity in the market, so please start to do that. So that's all guys. So I don't have any point for that, this topic. So I have told you what a skill set is required, the current market. So programming a skill is very important, you have to focus on that. So that's all guys, so see you in the next session. So if you have any doubt, you can reach out to me. Okay, you can ping me on the chat, I can give you the answer if you have any doubt. Okay, so or just I'm going to stop the session. Okay guys, see you. I think I'm going to upload new video for another top level of the MNC company, might be tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Okay guys, see you tomorrow.